Dr. ABBA initiative किती असा exactly?
Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Modi has started the initiative of ABDN, Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Mission. In this regards, with regards to Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Mission, we have to do hospitals all across Goa, might be government as well as private. They will be going digital now. So that's the proposal we have submitted to government. So in future, all the patients' record, all the hospital records will be going online. And at the first patient hospital आयलो, right from registration of the patient till मागीर OPD गेलो, मागीर लॅबान गेलो, मागीर X-ray सगळे आसा पळय, everything will be getting digital in future. So in this regards, we have to do few things. Few things in the sense like one would be ABBA generation. There is something called Health Professional Registry and Health Facilities Registry. So till now, if you consider population of Goa as 15 lakhs, means गोव्याची population आमी समज 15 लाख धरले, अजून पर्यंत आमी 3.5 लाख गोव्याची population ABBA केल्ले आसा. So requesting all of us through press and print media, just requesting all of us that all the citizens in Goa should make their ABBA number. ABBA is Ayushman Bharat Health Account. सो आतां फाल्यां समज खंयचोय पेशंट खंयच्या हॉस्पिटलान गेलो इन फ्युचर, सो त्या हॉस्पिटलाचो सगळो पेशंटाचो डेटा पेशंटाक मोबायलाचेर मेळटलो. सो वन्स
no need to carry a file.
नो नीड टू कॅरी अ फायल. समज 6 म्हयन्या पयलीं साखर कितली आशिल्ली, नाजाल्यार प्रेशर कितलो आशिल्लो, नाजाल्यार दोतोरान खंयचो ट्रिटमेंट दिल्लो, सगळो एक्सेस पेशंटाक आपल्या मोबायलाचेर मेळटलो. तसोच दोतोरांक समज त्या पयलींची डेट घातली आनी कितें घातली, सगळो डेटा पेशंट दोतोराकूय एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट मेळटलो. So आता एक patient goes from one hospital to another hospital. So that data transfer also will happen automatically after the taking the consent from the patient.
There is always a fear when you talk about Aadhaar card and all, ते data theft बाद सगळे जाऊ शकता.
No. This is absolutely safe. This is a Ministry of India's initiatives. All the patient's data, everything is generated and is kept with the patient. Only after the patient gives the OTP to doctor. OTP येतली पेशंटाक. Once the patient gives the OTP to the doctor, then only the doctor can assess the data of the patient. Without the consent of the patient, no data would be able, any hospital will be this. So right now in the first phase, we are going for all the government hospitals, and eventually all the private hospitals also should have their own HMIs. HMIs म्हणजे
आता घातलेले आम्हाला MLAs आणि जे इनिशिएटिव्ह
हय, आता आमचो हॉनरेबल हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान आमची आबा केल्ले आसा आनी 3-4 मिनिस्टरांनी MLA आपले केल्ले आसा. सो दिस बिकम्स अ गुड प्लॅटफॉर्म. So for us also to create an awareness in general public that all of them should go to the health centers. सगळे health centeraची facilities आसा. So आता all across Goa, right from वाळपय to काणकोण धरले जाल्यार कोणी any citizen going can go and tell them. The only thing they have to do is they have to carry their Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number has to be, and their Aadhaar has to be linked to their mobile. So that once that is done, there are multiple benefits for patient. One benefit is at a click of the button, the patients can get all the data. Second thing, they don't have to carry, as you said, rightly said, they don't have to carry any big files. Old data, 6 वर्सां पयलींचो, 5 वर्सां पयलींचो समज डेटा आसा, एवरीथिंग बी गोईंग ऑनलायन. मागीर आनी समज चेंज ऑफ मेडिसिन्स कितें जाय, खंयचे ट्रिटमेंट घेतला, दॅट ऑल्सो इज अवेलेबल फॉर द पेशंट ऑल्सो. डॉक्टर्सांक सगळो इजिली खंयच्या दोतोरा कडेन गेलो, कितें गेलो, खंयचो ट्रिटमेंट, चेंज ऑफ लायन ऑफ ट्रिटमेंट जाय, आनी कितें मेडिसीन घालपाक जाय, पयलींचो साखर कितली आशिल्ली, आतां कितली आसा, चेंज ऑफ लायन ऑफ ट्रिटमेंट ऑल्सो कॅन बी डिसायडेड. आनी इफ वन्स अ पेशंट गोज फ्रॉम एनी प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटल टू गव्हर्मेंट ऑल्सो, दॅट लिंकेज ऑल्सो विल हॅपन. सो
प्रायव्हेट डॉक्टर्सांकडून लिंकेज असते.
हय, ऑल इन केस दे ऑल्सो इव्हेंच्युअली ऑल द हॉस्पिटल्स ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया विल हॅव टू गो डिजिटल. So this is the initiative taken, and we are going probably in 6 to 8 months time. We will try to go digital in Goa also.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.